My name is Chioma. So we'll be looking at how to tie double wrapper when you're pregnant. When you're pregnant, your stomach is up. Look at it, it's big. Normally, you tie wrapper on your waist. But now you're pregnant, you cannot tie it on your waist because you'll be so uncomfortable if you want to sit down. The baby will be kicking. And you cannot be comfortable. The baby is not comfortable. So now, we are thinking of the best way to tie a wrapper. Then if you're not pregnant, the normal thing you do is to tie it under here. But now that you're pregnant, you have to take it up and tie it on top of your stomach. So can you see it? This one under, this one on top. And don't forget to, oh God, don't forget to, you're going to spread your legs. Then this other one, you take it to this side, put it inside. Very easy as that. Then you fold the fronts. See all these fronts now that I'm folding? You fold them very well so that it will be like a skirt. Then the second one, you just tie it on top. Go back, oh! So this is it. After time you to arrange yourself. The cotton will go on. But the other one, the green, because I know what I black. So look at it.
Even at that, that's what I used to do.